Fine. Hi guys, William, welcome back. So here, see, I have received a this one like Google My Business thing. We have discussed in the physical classes. Did you recognize Google My Business? Hello. Hello. Is my voice clear? Yeah. So see,
Yes, sir.
for the institution, I have received this letter here from Google, as we have did with the Prem business. For the Prem, we did this one verification process for Google My Business. So the same thing we have got for our company. So now in front of you, I'll do the verification part. This is the domain server one. 51. So now I have to go to the Google My Business section. This is out of the subject today. Just I'll give this because this is a live example of the things. Google My Business. Here I have to go and Prem will also receive the same letter, just like this one from the Google end. So here I have to visit my Google My Business account here. Okay. Manage now. See, this is for the institution DMM Academy, which we are like, this is my own institute. I'm the founder of this one. So here, I have the pending verification. Can you see this one? Pending verification is there. So we have recently shifted to the location of SR Nagar in Hyderabad. So here I have to enter the location here and enter the verification code. So from this box I can go, or in the left hand side we can also see the verification thing. From there also I can go. So here I have code here I have to give. Okay. So total you will get 5 letters here. These 5 letters you have to give here and you have to verify your section. Okay. So you can see the message, you are now verified. That means now your business is got verified and you will be available online on the Google Maps. Okay, and you can see here actual company name is the DMM Academy, and for the local SEO thing here we have Advanced Digital Marketing Training Institute in Hyderabad. Can you recognize that? Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Fine. So now you can go happily. Now you can give a review. We'll see whether I think it will take some time. Even after verification, also sometimes it will take time to shift the location. Like the previous location, it will show actually. Now just now we verified. It will take some time. Let's analyze whether it is having that one or not. So here, yeah. Okay. Can you see this? This one. So this section is in still verification. Just now we entered the code part. So now it is in the verification section, and the phone number which is available here. Now they'll also review this one. Sometimes they'll give a message or they'll give a call. Maximum they'll not give. Why? Because we verified physically. So this will not happen. So fine. Whenever they'll from their end they'll be like, okay, we got verified. Then obviously I'll get the main listing here. Got it? So now you can go happily give a review here. Fine. So we'll start with the main class of our subject. So yesterday we are discussing about plugins. You said, okay, we'll go for the plugins now. We'll start from there only, from plugins. Can anyone tell me like what can to install a plugin? What all the things required? Any rule is there to install a plugin? I have to check anything. Anyone from the class?
Click mark, right marks.
Yeah, good. So that means if you have a tick mark, that means that plugin is compatible with your version of WordPress. That is the meaning of that. So that means if you take that plugin, it will not harm your this website. Fine. So this is a cPanel here. Actually, this internet connection is very slow. I connected my mobile data here. I don't know up to when it will come, but we'll try with this the maximum time. Here, yeah, this is application here. I can go directly by log into the WordPress dashboard, or I can go with this section also from the applications, and also I can go. Okay. So, this one. If something is going wrong with the technical issue, stay here only. I'll be coming back. Okay, fine. So till plugins we have seen, tools. I think tools also we have seen. Settings also we have seen. Did you remember that in the settings I said about the permalinks also? Header and footer also we discussed. No? To rating. What rating? Rishita, I can't get you. Fine. So here, any doubts in plugins? Any doubts in plugins from anyone? If you have any doubts, just clear here only. Divyasri, you have any doubts about plugin? Divyasri, are you available? Okay. Fine. I think this session will end. We'll start a new session. We'll discuss for sure. This session will end in 30 seconds, 30 or 60 seconds it will end. reconnect again. We'll start the first session. That will be good. Fine.